Let's learn Teshuvah, Shir number 15. The Rambam says in Perik Beis Halacha Daled about Darkei HaTeshuva, the ways of Teshuvah. Ways of Teshuvah is not only doing Teshuvah. It was the act of doing Teshuvah, that's like we learned, Charotet, to have regrets, Vidui, to express it and to say the words of Vidui, Kabbalah Le'osid, not to do it no more, to accept on myself, I'm not doing no more with this Aveira. But now there is also Darkei HaTeshuva. How should I live with Teshuvah from now on? Like the Gaon explains in the Biur Agra al Megillas Esther that there was the Na'ara Ba'a El HaMelech and there was then Shisha Chodashim and Shisha Chodashim, 6 months and 6 months. He says there was a Na'ara as a Neshama from every Yid coming to HaKadosh Baruch Hu. When is the time that the Neshama comes to HaKadosh Baruch Hu? In Rosh Hashanah, Yom Kippurim. That's the time what we do Teshuvah. And then it's a Teshuvah like on everything together. But then we have 6 months and 6 months, winter and summer, 12 months, a whole year, to show our Teshuvah. And after the 12 months that we go in the ways of Teshuvah, then we come to the Melech, the Kadosh Baruch Hu, our great king, the Shleimus like it's supposed to be. The same idea says also in the Hshem Sefer. The Hshem Sefer says, he explains it, that the way of Teshuvah is there was like the act of Teshuvah, doing Teshuvah, and then there was living in a way of Teshuvah. The Rambam over here is not only living in a way of Teshuvah, living right, living and doing good, doing mitzvahs like it's supposed to be, not doing aveiros like we not supposed to do. It's more than it. It's to live in a way that's gonna bring us not to do these mistakes again. And that says the Rambam, Midarkei HaTeshuva, if you want to go in the ways of Teshuvah and to live with it, doing Teshuvah is 1 minute, but to live with the Teshuvah from now on is Liois Hashav, Eveded Teshuvah, Tzoyek Tomid Lifnei Hshem Bevechi Uvesachanunim, to daven on it. Just to pray. And tzedakah is like, HaKadosh Baruch Hu, help me, I need help. I know that if it depends on me, I ate from Eitz Hadas and I'm gonna eat again. The Rebbe, the Divrei Emunah, the Zichroina Livracha, used to say, we see a medrash that HaKadosh Baruch Hu asks Adam HaRishon, why you ate from Eitz Hadas? And then he says, Ochalti, and the medrash says, Ve'oichal oid. I ate from the tree and I'm gonna eat again. So he says that's a way of asking Teshuvah, that's a way of apologizing and asking for forgiveness, to say Achalti ve'oichaloid. So the Divrei Emunah explains, he says to come in front of HaKadosh Baruch Hu and do Teshuvah is to come and say, I know myself, I know if it depends on me, no way I'm going to stand again. If it depends on me, I'll do this Averas again and again. But I'm asking you, help me. Ochalti, if it depends on me, Ochalti ve'oichaloid. I ate once and I'm going to eat again from the Eitz Hadas. But I trust you and I'm begging you and I'm asking for HaKadosh Baruch Hu, help me to live with Teshuvah like it's supposed to be. And that's Tzoyek Tomid Lifnei Hshem Bevechi Uvesachanunim. The Rambam later speaks about it, that even in Perik Vav Halacha Daled, even if someone is in a situation that he did such big aveiros that has no chance to do Teshuvah, and they took away from him, from Shamayim, they took away from him the possibility of doing Teshuvah. And there was such Rishoyim, like the Rambam explains, like Paroi and different Rishoyim that HaKadosh Baruch Hu took away from them. He made the heart from Paroi to be like heavy and stone, that he can't do Teshuvah. There was Tefillah, and to daven to HaKadosh Baruch Hu and to ask him, he should help us. We shouldn't be in a situation for not doing Teshuvah. And he says, David HaMelech is always davening, Rebbeinu Shalom, help me, and emes oireini Hshem darkecho. My averas I did should not disturb me, should not be moinea me, that I shouldn't be in a way from derech emes. Help me, yached levavi leiro eshmecha, ruach nediva sismecheni. Let me do what you want, and don't put me in a situation that I'm going to lose the way of Teshuvah. So the first thing, what the Darkei HaTeshuva is to daven, Tzoyek Tomid Lifnei Hshem Bevechi Uvesachanunim, to daven on it that I should keep on going the way of Teshuvah. And we see it also in David HaMelech, the one that he taught us how to do Teshuvah. Yeah, he's the father of Teshuvah. Like we know, the Gemara says, Ne'um HaGever Hukam Ol Heikim Ula Shel Teshuvah. He's the Meiri in Chibur HaTeshuvah calls him Av HaTeshuvah, the father of Teshuvah. He taught us how to do Teshuvah. The Gemara in Avodah Zarah says that Loichata David, he was not Roi Loisa Maise. The only reason that David HaMelech came to the situation of doing the Aveira, Kadosh Baruch Hu didn't help him, he shouldn't do the Aveira, was to teach us how we could do Teshuvah. And we see him the whole time in Tehillim davening and asking HaKadosh Baruch Hu, help me, Hoireini Hashem darkecha, leiv tahor brali Elokim, open my heart, give me a clean, pure heart, that I could do Teshuvah and continue on living in the way of Teshuvah. So that's from Darkei HaTeshuvah, ways of Teshuvah, says the Rambam, the first thing, Tefillah. To daven and ask HaKadosh Baruch Hu should give us to continue the Teshuvah way.